Hey guys, welcome to my channel again, and today is my first time I try explain in English how you can get the certificate for COVID-19 for vaccination. For that reason, let's go!
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. No. She messed with the temperature.
And this video is very easy. You have the first step is you have to go into website MyGov and log in normal. It's like always you get MyGov. After here, this example is for my friend, but he, if you can see, is your service. He has just Australian Taxation Office, but we're looking for IHI. For that reason, you have to put in link another service. You click it there, and after looking for individual health care identifier service, press there and waiting for a second. And I don't. Okay, here you say you have or I need. Of course, I need because I'm looking for my certificate to get. And after you have put the next. I don't explain because I don't know what is this one, but for the video it's very long. And two options: passport or driving license. I think it's very easy for passport because you have easy your passport in your hand. So please, always when you put information in the website or everywhere, you have to check twice or three times because sometimes you have one letter less or I don't know, and you have to check because when I end in the video, if you had the result is not successful, it's very bad. Okay, so you put here. This is very important because if you have registration, your address, different address or different houses in New South Wales service, maybe you have a little mistake there. For that reason, you have to remember which one is you correctly address. Okay, okay. You put your passport. If you put before license driver, but you have to put license driver. But here you have to put different information and check the authorization and continue. Okay. And it's successful. Okay, you have to put continue, and here you can say my friend is Jesus and the number is 800 blah blah. You have to save this number. It's very important. You have to save in your phone or in your computer. I don't know. The second step is I put this page in the boxes under here. And you have to put different information. It's very easy. And after, it's very important here, you have to put, you don't have the Medicare in after start for put the number for IHI, and after you put the where was your vaccination. If you don't remember, because I know sometimes I don't remember this one or the places, check your phone. Check your phone because you have the different message and say, yeah, don't forget appointment for vaccination. You put here the first vaccination and the second vaccination. It's very important. This information have to be exactly, okay? So, and after, okay, yes, you put here yes, because you need for work or travel everywhere. And it's very easy. Plus, and submit request is done. And after you have to get this print, you can see vaccination record, but he say you have to wait 16 days, and 16 days. This is the process. Why? Okay, stop here and try to explain. No, wait, and explain. After 16 days, you have to go in again, MyGov, and make the login again normal. And here, now you have to activate individual healthcare identifier service. You put here and you have view immunization history and you have two certificates, okay? I don't know what is the difference between, but you have to get anyone in your phone because now this is the certificate, okay? Please save in your phone because okay, I put the stop here because for example today went to the Big Lee is the store and I can get in because I need to show the security man the certificate, okay? So if you don't wanna wait in 16 days, you have different options. First one, I put here this number you have to call. It's from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and you have to say, please, I need a certificate, blah blah blah. If you speak Portuguese or French or different language and you don't feel comfortable speaking English, you have to call this number. This is for translator, and someone help to you and give support for all call, and in the end you get the certificate. If you can get with the 2 steps before, you can to send the email. I put save this email. All information I put in the boxes, but you have to make the email with all information what you think is very important. Your name, your AIHI number, your passport number, and everything. The last option is you going to the central office. It's very easy. For example, here from my home, I have the central office 5 minutes in by car. So I know you have to wait in maybe 1 hour or 1 hour and a half for the line, but you are going to the sure, I don't know how do you say, but it's you 100% you can get after the appointment. You have the certificate in your hand. So, and that's it, everyone. I think this is the most important information. I try to speak in English. I know, baby, please don't say anything about but I hope I can help everyone. So please subscribe to my channel, and that's it. Have a good day, and if you need help, you can text me on Instagram or my Facebook, Felipe G. Marcelo. That's it. I don't know. I can say nothing. I spent my all English for 1 month, I think so. So see you guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Asking the heaven, should I stay or should I go?